lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Ipshita. I put makeup along with cooking as well as nail tutorials videos. And yes, I am really happy to be back once again. And one more thing, guys, if I am sounding a little off and a little bit low on energy, please bear with me, guys. I'm trying my best to give my 100% and full on energy in this video for you guys, but you all know that I am still on the recovering phase because I was actually very seriously ill from last 1 month now. So yes, so that's let's not talk about it. Let's talk about today's video. So today I'm going to try out a full face of new makeup. That will be a first impression with you guys. I'll try out the products I have shown you in my last haul, that is the collective haul, and I ask you guys if you want me to test these products out. So I have actually tested this out in front of you guys and have come across with this look. And if you are interested to see how I actually like those products up and how I have used on my face to achieve this look, keep on watching, guys, and watch the video till the end. I have already mentioned all the products down below in the description box if you are wondering which are the products I'm talking about. And after you're done watching this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel. And there will be the red subscribe button down below. If you haven't subscribed already, click on the button. Make sure you make that button gray, and there will be a bell icon right next to it. Click on it, select all, so just to make sure you get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And one more thing is, you can share this video with your friends and family and make sure you spread the word, because yes, and I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so I will again stick to my regular schedule as I'm back now. So yes, that's enough of me blabbering. Now quickly let's get into the tutorial. So I am really very excited that I have so many new makeup in front of me that I am going to test out in front of you guys with a full face of new makeup. But the thing is, I want to say two things. First thing is, please excuse the background noises because I had to keep my fan on because otherwise, because of this humidity, I would rather die by the end of this video, so sweating. So I had to keep it on. So that's about it. And one more thing is, I know guys that I may sound a little off, but please bear with me, guys. I am very happy to be back, but I'm still recovering from, because you all know by now that I was very seriously ill in the past for almost around a month. I was really I was taking rest, and I'm still under heavy medication, so it is just taking a little bit toll on my health. And yes, I'm recovering. Yes, I am actually recovering from it, but the phase is still going on, so I may sound a little bit off and a little low on energy, but be rest assured, guys, I am here and I will put my 100% and you guys will enjoy this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the makeup part. So for my primer today, I'm going to use this one, that is from Wet n Wild. It is their face primer, photo focus face primer in the dewy variant, and this was a new product. Actually, I have already shown these products to you guys in my last collective haul, and I know that you guys have shown your interest that you want to see me trying all these products out. So I thought, why not make a collective full face of new products, or first impression rather, in this particular video, so that where I am going to show you all the products tested out when I am also trying it out for the very first time. So this is how the product looks. You can see it has a tint to it, so I don't think I will regret this much. But yeah, I would say it has a little bit of shimmery particles, if not glitter, but little bit of shimmery particles to it, just to make sure, I think, for the dewy effect. This is my very first time using a dewy foundation. I know if my camera is picking up, but this is how the product looks. And yeah, so I hope this is how the dewy primers look, because this is my first time, as I told you, trying a dewy primer. Honestly, I have went for this one thinking that okay, this is very smooth, by the way, guys, and I've already prepped my skin well with my moisturizer, and I have already moisturized my face well. I'm directly starting with makeup. Okay, it has a little bit of illuminating, effect there. You can see, I think. I don't know if it's visible, but it is clearly visible here. A little bit of shine it is giving, so that I hope that my foundation, on top of this, my foundation will look good, hopefully. And the reason it has a little bit of shimmery glitteriness left to it after I applied it on my face. So you can see on my hand whatever is left, you can see there's a glittery effect. Anyways, so the thing is that I went for this particular primer because winter is coming, and I know that I am from the combination oily skin type, but during winters my cheek area tends to become a little bit on the drier side. So I thought this is the best time of the year to try out something new, like a dewy primer or something, to switch things up. So I don't have a new foundation, so I will go with my trusted, one of the most favorite, L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear foundation. So for my eyes, I have 3 options with me today, as I have shown you in the haul. 2 are from the Wet n Wild. These are the ones. One is Cosmic Coalition. This one is Stop Playing Safe, and another one is from Revolution. It is their foil eyeshadow palette. So which one should I go for? I think I will go with this one, which is their Wet n Wild Color Icon Stop Playing Safe palette, because these are the color scheme which are actually will go nice with my top that I'm wearing, and this bluey scheme is actually calling out my name. And don't worry guys, don't be disheartened if you were actually looking forward to me to go ahead and try these one, because I will try these ones, and they have beautiful color schemes, as you can see. And obviously I will try with this one in near future only, because I am about to make videos on makeup tutorials, especially for this Durga Puja and Navaratri. So in this festive season, you're going to see a lot of these 3 palettes, because they have a beautiful color scheme, especially this one, the foil metallic one, because metallic goes very well for the festive season, and you will see a lot of this palette, and a lot of use and lot of inspiration from my end, for if you want to use this palette up, and if you have this, or if you want to get it for you. So let me put these to aside and start with my palette for today's look. So this is how the palette looks. Beautiful. Let me start with a transition shade. Which one should I go for? Okay, I'll first start with this one over here. Okay, let me start, and then we will decide. Okay, I have it placed on my crease. You can see it's a beautiful color. If you want to go for a more nudie look, it will really look nice on you. So and if you are on the deeper side guys, you have this beautiful deep transition shade over here as well, which I'm going to use, I think. Okay, let's use it, why not? So I'll take a little bit of it now, without going all the way. I'll just put it on the outer corner and deepen the crease area. Can you see? Oh, this is very pigmented, and I haven't expected anything less of it, because this is from Wet n Wild, so obviously. And I have already I think you guys already know it, I have their Color Icon Rose in the Air palette, which is, I think, their most popular one, because I think most of the people have that palette. It's a beautiful palette. That one I'm talking about, the Rose in the Air one. Even this one, Wet n Wild, they were fails to amaze me with their quality of shadows. I'll quickly move forward without wasting any more time with the blue over here. Okay, I'm very excited to try this one. So should I try with the brush first? Yeah, I'll try with the brush first. If I don't like it, then I'll use my fingers. Okay, because this is a shimmery shade. The blue actually looks stunning. Oh my god, it actually picks up the product well. Let's see if it transmits the product in the eyes. Okay, I think I have a little bit of fallout here and there. Let me dust it off, because I don't want my eyebrows to look blue. Are you kidding? I have blue pigment on my eyebrow. Well done, Akshita. Okay. It was a little bit too pigmented than I expected, guys. You can see. Wow. You know what? I'll go with my fingers. I'll go with my fingers because it's way easier. See? It's beautiful. Hello, pigment. Guys, just see. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Previously, I used to be a lipstick junkie, but I must say that now I have slowly becoming an eyeshadow junkie even more. Maybe not more, but equally. If you have so many good options to choose from drugstore, that too for so affordable price, because guys, this is for rupees 499 or 599, and that too I got it for discount. So this is the pigment that you're getting. Oh my god. I was thinking about doing a halo eye, but I have changed my mind. Let the blue remain over here, and I'll deepen my outer crease area. Let's do it. I'll take the brush that I used, and I'll use this one, the rose color over here. I'll take a little bit of this one, dust off the excess. Okay, it has a little bit of fallout, but that just means that it will blend out easily. And I don't mind a little bit of fallout, because anyway I can dust off the excess fallout from my face easily without ruining my base makeup. But always I prefer to do my base beforehand, before I do my, oh my god, I love this look. Before I do my eye, I almost forgot what to call this area. Okay, I really love how this look is turning, and I'll blend it out a little bit, blend out the edge of the blue. Wow, just wait for it, guys. The look is not yet complete. Let me complete it, and I think we'll have a stunning look over here, even more so than how it actually is looking now. Wow, this is something really different, and trust me, I haven't planned this up. I just went with my instinct and thought that okay, let's go with this color, and I love how this is turning into. Okay, so I'll take this shade over here, this aqua kinda shimmery shade. I just hope you are pigmented. See, can you guys see the shine, the metallic shine? Oh my god, this is love. Oh wow, by the way guys, I am truly shocked, pleasantly shocked rather, because I know I was I am expecting them to be good, but I don't know. Just look at it. Wow. Just love it. Let's see whatever is left on my hands if it transmits color. It does, see? But I'll take a little bit more. Otherwise it will be unfair for this side. Okay. Not bad. What not bad? What am I talking? It's so good. Wow, 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 wow. I'm blown away, guys. I am blown away by the color and the pigmentation and the beauty of it. Oh, this color is so pretty. I'm so proud of myself that I picked this one. Really, really proud of myself, you know. So I'll move forward. And take this shade over here and just blend out the edges of the metallic shades on my inner crease area. You know, just to make them look a little bit cohesive. It's a very light kind of transition shade, so it goes very well, as I can see, with my skin tone. Little bit yellow tint to it, so it will go really well with the medium skin tone like mine, especially Indian skin tone, because most of us have a yellow undertone to our skin, and it will go really well and make, you know, the blending really easy, because the colors on this particular transition is not showing up that much, but it is making the edges of the rest of the shadows very smoked out and very blended. That's all I want to say. Yeah, that's the correct word. Wow, just wow. I love this one. I don't have a color like this, guys. I really I'm so happy that I have picked this one. I'm so happy. Where is my pencil brush? I'm not being able to find it. Okay, we'll go with this one. And I am planning to do the same under my eyes. So let me quickly do it and I'll be back. I'll put the same color scheme under my eyes. So I am back. So as you can see, I have put the same color scheme under my eye as well, but nothing crazy. I have just put a little bit of pigment and I have blended out. So for my inner corner, I am planning to go with this yellow shimmery shade. I don't know how the brush will pick up the color, but let's see. If it doesn't pick up well, then it does pick up well. That is the end of my discussion. Wow, I love this look. So let me quickly put my mascara on. The mascara that I have, it's a new one. It's from Essence, the False Lashes Mascara with extreme volume and curl. So let's see what it does, because I have always high hopes from Essence mascaras, because they know their game with their mascaras, guys. I think you all must be knowing that already. Okay, this is how the wand looks, by the way. It's a curling wand. I'll try to talk less and focus more on my mascara application. I don't want to poke my eyes because it's already burning a little bit from the loose powder that I put inside my eyes. I don't want them to get watery. and ruin my eye look. Almost I did not have to dip inside the container anymore. With one go I could apply it on both of my eyes. That's something I really like, and I really love how much curl and volume this one is giving me. As you can see, I really love this effect. It goes with this dramatic eye, guys, because I am someone who does not wear falsies that much. So, and I am blessed with long eyelashes, that's true, but yeah, I always tend to rely upon more on my trusted good quality mascaras like this, and I think I have found a new one to add to my list today. I'm really happy with this purchase. Alright, so I only have 2 more products left to try out. That is the next one is the Makeup Revolution blush. It is their blusher, I don't know what is the name. Okay, I'll put everything down below, but the shade name is Rose Kiss, that I know. You can see how beautiful texture it has. I'll quickly go with my blush brush, that is this one. And yeah, this is a matte blush, by the way, with a rosy dusty pink kind of color. Okay, this seems to be pigmented. I hope I have not taken much. This is pigmented, guys, although the color is very muted. So, but if you are going for this one, if you're looking for a matte blush, I will tell you this color is really pretty. I don't know if the camera is picking up really well, but in person I can see the color is very pigmented, see, and but it is very very pretty, very girly, very pretty. If you're looking for a rosy dusty pink kind of blush, this one to go for. And it's matte, by the way, it's totally matte. It will not give you any shimmery effect to your look, which I love, because anyway I've used a dewy primer. I don't want to look like a disco ball, although I think I will end up, because I love my highlighters. But yeah, I'll put a little bit on my nose because I love to. I love this blush. This is actually really pretty. So I'll just apply my highlighter. Which one to use today? Okay, so I'll use my Makeup Revolution once again. My face actually looks pretty good, and now I'm pretty impressed, by the way, guys, from my purchases, I will say. So which I have few options for my lip color today, which are from this particular haul that I showed you. Okay, so let's see. I have 3 options because the 4th one is from my mom, as I told you already. I have this one, I think this one, and I have these 2. I think this one will look good, although this is a little bit of in between matte and metallic, but this will go with the color, I think. Let's see. It's applied. Let's see. Oh, it's a proper metallic lipstick. Why not go like full metallic today? In normal circumstances, I would never apply a metallic lipstick along with eye like this, but This is a fun tutorial, so why not? I have bought a metallic lipstick after a very long time. The texture is really smooth. I am loving the fact that it is not, emphasizing my texture on my lips. It is actually making them smoother. And the shade, I'll tell you, it's from Avon. It is the shade Pink Blur. So yeah, the look is complete and I really love it. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate it and I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and after a long time from my end, and I have missed you a lot guys, and I hope you all have missed me too. And yes, you can let me know in the comment section what are your future video suggestions for me to go ahead and make for you guys, and also if you have any feedback that you want to share for this video, otherwise for my channel in general, you can let me know in the comments as well. Or if you want to ask me anything, I'll go ahead and obviously I'll join the discussion over there. And yes, if you have enjoyed watching this video, you already know the drill. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel guys, and let's grow together because we are here to grow as a family guys. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and there will be the red subscribe button. Click on the button, make sure you make that button gray, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell and select all to make sure you get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this and few of my other related videos. And if you have missed the haul video, by the way, where I have shown you these products which I have used today, so that particular video and few of the other related video I have already listed down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. If you click on the eye, you will get the list of videos coming down, so you can choose whatever video you want to watch next and watch that one next. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, I hope you all are staying safe and taking care of yourself. Bye bye guys.